On this exercise, we are working on the Queda de Quatro Press-Up. We already have got the Queda de Quatro by itself on the learning section, so please take a look on that if you've never done it before. So let's take a look on this exercise. So let's start from the Queda de Quatro position, so both hands flat, feet flat, and hips off the ground. So I'm going to lift my left arm up, and I'm going to bring my opposite leg, my right leg, in between the arm and the leg that I left on the ground. So now I'm bringing my right arm up, so I'm bringing the opposite leg, which is my left, behind in between the arms. Once I understand what arm and what leg I'm using, now I'm gonna do the press up. Make sure the front leg is supporting the weight as well with my back leg on my toes. And the idea is do a full press up. Get your chest as close as you can to the ground. You can turn your head forward so you can see what's going on the game. Normally you keep one arm up as well, but for now you're only using the exercise. So don't rush through the drill. Make sure your hands are flat. You can control the press up throughout the whole exercise. Keep your core engaged and keep practicing and keep improving as you get in along. I hope that helped, and I see you on the next one.